Hi folks, and in today's video we're going to look at game modes within the Unreal Engine. Now, first of all, if you have a blank project like this, you won't have a game mode set up at this moment in time. But if you have a project like the first or third person player, you will have a default one set. Now, to find the game mode, first of all you go to the Windows button, then the World Settings, and then you'll notice just down here there is a tab saying Game Mode Override. Game mode's basically a great way of storing data and placing data which we can then use to store overarching stuff. Within the Unreal Engine there is effectively a hierarchy which goes from actors to pawns to the actual player character and then finally up to the game mode. So all your crucial data that you need to send all across these characters would be best perhaps kept here depending on what you're doing. Now, there's a base game mode stats that we can select like so, which will give us basic information. Then when we go to play the game, we will have that default stuff already there. But for now, we're going to have a look at creating a custom game mode. We do that by simply right-clicking down the bottom and going to Actor Blueprint class, and then there's something called a game mode base. So, if we click this button, let's give it a name. We'll call it main game mode, like so. Press enter, and there we go. So now what we can do is start choosing custom elements within this. So for example, if we have our own specific player class or character or controller, we could then assign it to this data like so. Now if we want to set this as our main game mode, we just need to go to the World Settings, Game Mode panel, and then set it to main game mode that we just created like so. And there we go. There's the data that we have. Now, in the next video, we're going to look at creating a custom character.